Question number 8. Explain the waterfall model in detail. Waterfall model. The waterfall model is a straightforward approach to software development. Each phase of the project must be completed before the next one begins. Think of it like a waterfall flowing from one stage to the next. This model is linear and sequential. It means that you move through each phase in order, without going back to previous phases once they are completed. Phases of waterfall model. Requirements. Gather requirements from client and write in a document what the software needs to do. Analysis. Understand what the user needs from the system. Design. Plan how the software will be built and how it will look. Implementation. Write the actual code to create the software. Testing. Check for and fix any problems or bugs in the software. Deployment. Release the software for users to use. Maintenance. Make updates and fix any issues that come up after the software is in use.